Good morning, guys. Hey, hey, hey. How you doing? Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Let me know. Good morning. Hey, Jean. Hello. Hi, Katie. How you doing? As we all get settled, coming in, coming together. Loud and clear. Good morning. Hey, Jillian. Hey, Carrie. Hey, Beth. So, the idea that all is well, we're really moving into that state of being. This is what we're doing here. Hey, Lisa. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Matthias. Are you geeking out? Yeah. Hey, Joe. Sending lots of love to your bro. Lots of love to your bro. All is well. What are we talking about here? So like a decade ago when I went into like all the filters just got removed from me so I could really feel that oneness. So I could feel the divine nature of who I am, but who we all are. Hey Agni, how are ya? So we never end. So I saw that. It's like, oh, this is just a moment in the vastness of who we actually are. But we can do this so beautifully, guys. And so when I came into that, understanding that this is just a speck, a very important moment, a drop in the eternal experiences, but we really get to grow here. This is our growth space. This is the petri dish of how we get to go deep, to really understand ourselves, to clear ourselves, to go into our hearts, to not be afraid to explore who we truly are. So it's us coming again into our higher evolution, and we're doing it now. Everybody that's here has decided, I'm going to do it here now. So we don't have to, it doesn't have to be a space of suffering. Hey, Anna, it doesn't have to be a space of suffering. It can be a space of refinement. Like I get so blown away with, yes, it's challenging, but it's also so beautiful at the same time, the deeper we go. So we come into this space where we understand that depth of who we are. It's like, oh, all is well because I'm home again. So this incarnation will go. Yes, we all come, we all go. But we hold that structure within us. We hold the simplicity of the truth that we come from creation. We are created through the eyes, through the perspective of love. And everything else is just something that we eventually let go of so we can dive back into that one truth, that oneness. Okay, so we're getting simpler and simpler here all the time. And we really do this work. Hey, Asia, we do this work. It is the frequencies that do the work. So yes, we go into nature. We go into these beautiful spaces together, the waterfalls. We melt into the rocks. We go into the ocean. We go into the rivers. We do all of that. We become the sun. But it's the frequencies that we're opening up a space where we're like, oh yeah, I'm just becoming my natural frequency setting, which you can't have suffering. You can't have addiction. You can't have all of that stuff in the higher frequencies. You don't beat yourself up there. It's just like, oh, okay, you start to treat yourself really, really well. Every day when you get up, it's like, I love you. You look in the mirror, it's like, look at you. Look at you growing. Look at you becoming. Look at your body healing. Look at you choosing yourself. You love yourself back into that space of all is well. And then your children will feel that. Hey, mommy, all is well. Your older parent who's getting ready to cross over. Oh, I see, all is well. Your pet that you're saying goodbye to. They feel it from you. All is well. All is well. What a beautiful place to operate from. And you get to really enjoy. But you're there for those really deep and rich, meaningful times. You're there for it. You're not afraid anymore to stand there like the sun in those challenging times. But you also get to play. And most of all, you get to love, guys, because you're strong, you're nourished, you're in your power. What a feeling. So as we take a deep breath in, let's melt into the boulder. Let's do it. Feels like the perfect day. It's such a nourishing space. And we bring in the frequencies. So standing bare feet on the ground. Feel the ground. My feet are literally changing in front of my eyes because I don't wear shoes anymore. I don't need to. They're becoming more natural, stronger. So feel your feet spreading out, touching the earth, connecting. Looking up at your boulder. Already feeling it, how beautiful it is. How big is it? What color is it? What kind of stone? Taking it all in, guys. I go back to the same boulder every time. I just love it. As we count to 3, stepping on top of the boulder. 1, 2, 3. On top of the boulder, lying down. Feeling the sun touching your skin. Feeling your eyes getting blessed by the sun, that light. Matching the sun, matching the frequency, that light. That wave that ripples out of the sun is the same as you. That light moving from your heart. Touching all there is. Reminding everyone and everything that there are always other choices. When I count to 3, we're going to sink into the center of the boulder, getting ready, feeling your shoulders, feeling your glutes, your heels on the boulder. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's just sink in, guys. Right to the center. Just already in this darkness, feeling a nourishment coming in, coming through, entering every cell, coming through your skin. It's like a beautiful seed getting planted into the rich, dark earth. Just feel that beauty. See how little you need here. Let's get quiet. Feeling that soothing frequency, soothing your heart. Soothing the mind. Letting this frequency nourish the body, replenishing your body, your blood, your bones, your muscles, your skin, your organs. The eyes, the ears, just feeling everything getting activated. Turning on your self-healing abilities so they're always just running. We don't interfere. We just allow. A deep remembering getting activated that we are complete. That everything we need, we will be provided for. That all is well. So having that as a set frequency, a setting for you as you move through your day, all is well. And as we take a deep breath in, we're going to move back up to the top of the boulder. When I count to 3, 1, 2, 3, just pushing through effortlessly. Feel how beautiful that feels to push through and to feel the boulder like that. Wow. Lying on the boulder and just continuing to hold. That's the key. Sitting up, opening our eyes, and then wherever we are, again, continuing to hold. No matter what gets presented, seeing everything as an opportunity. choose the highest. What's good for you when you're clear is good for all things. It's not like you win and something else loses. It doesn't work like that. In the highest, when you're clear, everyone benefits by an intentional choice. And that's how we help. How we doing, guys? How we feeling? You're welcome, Katie. It is so beautiful. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Asia. I'll see you tomorrow. Clear and peaceful. I've become inspired again. Yeah, exactly. Well, and this is how we do it. Rob and Rob just lost his dad. So this was so needed. Yeah. Sending love, Rob. Sending lots of love. You know, that's the one thing that's certain. We come and we go. We come and we go. But how beautiful if we can just feel that, you know, love in our hearts. It just helps so much. Thanks, Kai. So free and clear. Yeah. Yeah. So someone said to me the other night, you know, this work is going to become essential for everyone. And I really do see that too, because, you know, when we become present again, like there's so many people, you know, whether we've been religious or spiritual or atheist, it doesn't matter, you know, whatever we've done, it's like if there's still baggage we're carrying along, like still distortion with that, we're going to be pushed to release. And to me, this is an incredible way to lovingly release it. You're welcome, Joan. Nice to see you here. It's just we can lovingly do this. It doesn't have to be hard, guys. You know? And I really do see it as essential because the shift that's coming through is people are going to be like searching far and wide because they're going to feel destabilized. And this is just a great way to stabilize as this change comes through. It's so simple and natural, feels right. Thank you. Exactly. That's exactly it. You notice I don't have, it's not a modality. It's just actually who you are. It just feels so good to me. Okay, guys, love you so much. Have a great day. Please continue to share, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, us in our purest form. You got it. That's all it is. That's all it ever has been. Okay, bye. Bye, Dreamwalker. I love you. I just listened to your message. Sending you lots of love.